Hola, bienvenidos. Today I'm going to talk about my workbook for my classes for Spain Spanish. Why Spain Spanish? Because that's the Spanish you will find in college and in the dictionary. So when you're looking up words in the dictionary, they will be Spain Spanish vocabulary. So this is a book I wrote. Took me 25 years to write this book. What? 25 years? Yep. Because I had to practice Spanish for 25 years before I knew what to write. And I took a lot of classes from a lot of teachers. And this is the workbook that I've come up to use in my classes. This is page 1, the cover page. In my classes, I'm going to help us stop using things that we've been doing wrong and start learning to do things that are Spain Spanish. And I will be going through this book today and over the next few days. Page 2 is our table of contents. And we're starting off, of course, with 10 greetings and 10 goodbyes. We got to know lots of ways to say goodbye and lots of ways to say hello, hi, what's happening, how you doing, what's going on. Well, we got to do that in Spanish too. Then we learn the alphabet. My alphabet is different because it will teach you using English to teach the sounds of Spanish. I'll be glad to get to that with you. And how to pronounce the numbers using English. I just can't wait to tell you about that also. Then we got answers to greetings. And answers to greetings we're going to translate to English because we got to do the hard stuff too. Vowels and I had a lot of teachers and none of them could tell me how to stop saying They told me to say but they never mentioned I've been saying thinking I'm saying For instance, everybody thinks they know Spanish. So they say buenos dias. I don't know if you heard that wrong, but I said buenos dias using the sound. And it's not correct. Buenos dias is wrong. So I have a little trick. I grab my nose, point to my nose and say buenos. Just like my nose. And then I say D, like the letter D in David. And as, like that thing you're sitting on. So those are tricks I use that the native Spanish speakers, the teachers I had, they weren't able to tell me that because they didn't know enough English. So this class is for us. And I'm going to give you a lot of tricks to learn the language. Okay, we're going to have vocabulary. De la cocina. Vocabulary with pictures of furniture and rooms. Yeah, vocabulary with furniture and rooms. Introduction and greetings. Ask for a name. We got to know lots of ways to ask for a name. In this class, you're going to learn to say everything at least 2 different ways. at least two. So, here's an example. Ask for a name. Get someone's name. Find out the name of something. Lots of ways to say the same thing. Useful daily phrases. Change to Spanish. And then vocabulary with pictures again. Page 25, we have ir plus a plus el infinitivo, the infinitive. In other words, to go. I don't want to teach the lesson, but anyway, this is the one I really like also because we use it in English so much. I'm going to eat. That's what this helps us do. Page 26, vocabulary worksheet, vocabulary worksheet, vocabulary worksheet, fill in, vocabulary worksheet, introduction and greetings worksheet. The next page 3 is also the table of contents. Also page 4 is the table of contents. So let's go on to our first lesson on page 5. On page 5, we have 10 greetings or 10 salutations. So, why 10? I'm hoping by the end of the semester you will know at least 7 of them perfectly. And I want you to be able to say them quickly. That means when you meet someone, you can say, Buenos días, good morning. You can say, ¿Cómo estás tú? How are you? ¿Qué tal? Uh-oh, how are you again? ¿Qué tal can also be used with how is your son? So we would say, ¿Qué tal tu hijo? We can use ¿Qué tal with your car. ¿Qué tal tu carro? See? Okay, we can also greet someone, Buenas tardes. Good afternoon. We can put in front of it, very good afternoon if we want. Muy buenas tardes. Oh yeah, now you're learning a little bit extra to set you apart from everybody else that think they know Spanish. So, muy buenas tardes o just buenas tardes. Number 5. ¿Cómo le va? How's it going? ¿Cómo le va? How's it going? Hola, we all know that one. Hi, hello. Buenas noches, good evening. And guess what you can put with buenas noches again? Muy, a very good evening. Muy buenas noches. Number 8. ¿Cómo le ha ido? Whoa, I ran that all together. Yes, that's the way you talk in English. ¿Cómo le ha ido? ¿Cómo le ha ido? Wow, it sounds like one word. ¿Cómo le ha ido? See? That's why we have trouble understanding them. Nobody's going to say, ¿Cómo le ha ido? they're going to say, hey man, ¿cómo le ha ido? Just like you do in English. Number 9. Número 9. ¿Cómo está usted? How are you? We learned that years ago. Número 10. ¿Cómo estamos? Uh-oh. How are we doing? Woo. ¿Cómo estamos? How are we doing? For number 10. I didn't have number 10 on there, did I? So, number 10. ¿Cómo estamos? How are we doing? My dad would give me a job and then he'd go off somewhere and then he'd come back and say, how we doing? Well, you're not doing nothing. But anyway, in Spanish also, ¿Cómo estamos? How we doing? You can greet someone that way also. Next page. Page 6. 10 despedidas or goodbyes. So, I'm hoping you will learn at least 7 of them by the end of the semester. So we don't have to always say number 2. Adios. We can also say buenas noches for good night. You can greet them with buenas noches if you want. However, depending on how you say it, it's going to sound like a goodbye rather than a hello. Number 3, hasta pronto, real soon. Nos vemos, we'll see each other. My favorite, tengo que irme. I gotta go. Uh-oh, that says I must go. Yeah, but I'm a country boy. So sometimes I say gotta or tengo que, gotta. But tengo que means I must. And then infinitive, which was on the other page I talked about a little while ago. All right, number 6, hasta luego. That's the one you always know. What did the Terminator say? Hasta luego, baby. Te veo. I'll see you. All of these are goodbyes. Te veo. I'll see ya. We say see you later, don't we? Sometimes we just say see ya. Te veo. I'll see you. Te veo. See ya. Okay. Number 8, ya me voy. I'm going already. I'm out of here. Ya me voy. I'm going already. I'm not teaching every single word right now. Just learn the sentence. Because y'all didn't know what hasta luego meant. And you didn't know what adios meant. You just learned it. Tenga buen día. Have a good day. Tenga buen día. Hasta mañana. You've been saying that. Until tomorrow. You thought it meant see you tomorrow. But mañana also means morning. Not just tomorrow. Until tomorrow. Hasta mañana. So please, everyone, do your best to learn at least 7 greetings and 7 goodbye, despedida. So please, I know you know, adios, adios, and you guys say adios. But it's not adios, it's adios. Adios, adi. The D is soft. So we're going to also learn to soften up the T's and soften up those D's. The T is like a TH almost, and the D is almost like a harder TH. So anyway, we've got 12 weeks to get this. Please, when you leave class, hopefully you're going to say something other than adios, something other than buenas noches. I wish you would say, tengo que irme, hasta pronto y te veo. Say 3 of them when you're leaving. Same thing when you're meeting somebody. Buenos días, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo le ido? ¿Cómo le va? ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué onda? ¿Qué hay? Okay, I've got some more. I said some more that are not on here. But there are lots of ways to greet somebody just in English, and we want to learn to do more than one, please, clase, por favor. So that will terminate up to page 6. We'll do the other pages in the next lessons. Call me if you have questions. Please call me every day in practice class. Call someone in practice. Take out your book and read these to somebody, at least the first 6 of them every day on both of them, because we have no one to practice with and we have no one with whom to talk. So we got to talk to each other. We gotta. So, must. We gotta. Must. That's number 5. We must practice. We must call each other. Okie dokie. Sale vale. Until the next class.